How to Tutorial Marichyasana B. Begin in Dandasana. Bring your left foot to the inner crease of your right leg for Ardha Padmasana, half lotus. Now release your left leg and guide your right knee in towards you, coming into Marichyasana A. Draw your right arm around your right knee, taking your right hand to your left wrist for a bind, folding at your hip crease and bringing either your chin, your nose, or your forehead towards your shin. On your next inhale, bring your gaze forward, guide yourself up, releasing the bind and extending your right leg out in front of you. Marichyasana B. Bring your left foot to the inner crease of your right leg. Bend your right knee. Fold forward at the hip crease, guiding your right arm around your right knee, bringing your right hand to your left wrist. As you exhale, bringing either your forehead or your chin towards the mat. Breathe deeply. Inhale, bring your gaze forward. Guide yourself up, releasing the bind, extending your right leg out in front of you, and then your left, returning back to Dandasana. Namaste.